Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate mousse using cocoa powder. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth process. We'll start by preparing a rich chocolate base, then gently fold in whipped cream for that airy texture. Finally, we'll chill it to perfection before serving. This simple method guarantees a delightful dessert every time. To begin, gently melt 4 ounces of your favorite dark chocolate with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over a double boiler. Once smooth, whisk in 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder until fully combined. Remove from heat and quickly stir in 2 large egg yolks, followed by a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. This creates a rich, glossy chocolate base. Next, in a separate bowl, whip 1½ cups of cold heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it. Now, gently fold about 1/3 of the whipped cream into your chocolate base to lighten it. Then, carefully fold in the remaining whipped cream until no white streaks are visible, maintaining that airy texture. Transfer the mousse to individual serving dishes. Once your mousse is in its serving dishes, cover them loosely and refrigerate for at least 3 hours or preferably overnight. This chilling time is crucial for the mousse to set properly and develop its full flavor. Before serving, you can garnish with a sprinkle of cocoa powder, chocolate shavings, or fresh berries. Enjoy your perfectly set, delicious homemade chocolate mousse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.